Welcome to back to our poetry prompts series. Today we're up to prompt number 6, which is yellow on black. Let's get to it. Yellow on black. I like progress a lot, I guess, if a thing is truly better. Email me this or text me that. Is that better than a letter? Or what about a yellow wooden pencil? It will never go away. Or the calendar on the kitchen wall where you mark off all the days. But some good things are still fighting to be the only one, to prove that new isn't always better, like the warmth of the morning sun. Of course, I mean the chalkboard, yellow chalk on the black, and dusty old erasers. I want those good days back. I know they haven't all gone away. They are the A-frames on the street, pasta plate $12.99, and it's about our time to eat. And the Ivy League still uses them for the math and science guys. They know what is better for the beleaguered students' eyes. But it's not just about the students. Important but not profound. It is also the professor's heartbeat, that clicking and squeaking sound. So gather up all the whiteboards and stuff them in a sack. Drop them from a bridge somewhere and convert them to yellow on the black. Okay, let's check out tomorrow's prompt, prompt number 7, and that is school dinners. Let's have a preview. Just a silly story, but important at the time. We all have lunchtime stories. Let me tell you mine. Okay, hope to see you tomorrow.